This video starts like a regular real estate tour, where a confident agent introduces a new unit saying it's a beautiful day to check out this place. And she walks us through the kitchen with brand new granite countertops, modern redone cabinets, and a clean, upgraded look. Then she shows the living room, where large sliding doors bring in tons of natural light. And she talks about the recessed walls and how you can add dimension with different colors, making the apartment feel bright and stylish. Then she mentions enjoying mornings running on the beach and working out on the town-maintained fitness equipment. And because it's a corner unit, it gets even more natural light, along with custom built-in blinds. And she ends the tour in the living room saying it's quaint, bright, and has easy access to the balcony, inviting viewers to come see the house for themselves. And then she says cut, like the video is done. But the camera is still recording, and we suddenly hear a behind-the-scenes conversation where a man praises her performance, saying out of all the locations they filmed today, this was the best one, and she did the best job, joking that if he had the money, he would buy it. And she laughs, agreeing. Then he thanks her for hiring him, and she hands him his check, and he's surprised by the same-day pay. Then he offers to also edit the videos, since he does post-production, but she quickly says she has taken editing up as a hobby, and she will do all the editing herself. And right after that, the man notices the camera is still rolling, making the moment awkward, and she laughs, telling him he'll have to edit out the ending part. Then they casually start talking about cameras and lighting, with him complimenting how well she looks on that side of the room. And then he asks her if she has anywhere to be, because he wants to shoot a quick extra video so she can practice editing. And she agrees, saying she has about an hour before the next spot. And the clip ends right there, leaving the viewer wondering what that extra video was going to be, and why she seems so determined to edit everything herself.